Okay, I hope it is visible to all. V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 I2. I just start from the beginning since I have just started recording now. Okay, today we'll discuss about H parameter representation of transistor. A transistor is denoted by black box like this. Where in this black box, assume that as if one of the configurations, that is common emitter, common base, or common collector transistor is there, and it can be treated as a two-port network which has input voltage V1 and output voltage V2, input current I1 and output current I2. Okay, here an equation is there, relation between V1, I1 and V2. Here I1 and V2 are the independent variables, and V1 and I2 are the independent variables here. So V1 and I2 are depending on V2. Okay. In the equation form, we can write this relation. V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 I2, and output current I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 I2. Okay. H11 first row first column, H12 first row second column, like that. Second row first column, H21, H22 second row second column. Okay, these are the H parameters, you can say H11, H12, H21, H22 are the parameters, H parameters. Okay, let us define those H parameters now. The H parameter H11 is defined as V1 by I1, V1 by I1, V1 by I1. No, here it is V2. V2. Input voltage is a function of I1 and V2, and output current is a function of I1 and V2. Okay, V1 by I1 when V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0 means second port is shorted. When V2 is 0 means second port is shorted. When it is shorted, the output voltage will be 0. So it can be written as input resistance with output shorted. This is H11 is called as input resistance or impedance when with input resistance with output shorted. Output shorted. Shorted means here these two will be joined. Output in place of load, you just put a short circuit there. When output is shorted, we can find out two parameters, H11 and H21. So H21 is equal to I2 by I1. That is when V2 equal to 0. So it can be, it is a forward current ratio with output is shorted. With output shorted, it is a forward current ratio, or forward current gain, we can say. Forward current gain with output shorted. With output shorted. Now, let us find out the remaining parameters. No, H12 and H22. How to get those H11 and H21 over H12 and H22 by opening when the input is open. Okay, when the input is open, no current will flow through the input. Okay, I1 will become 0. Okay, let us do that now. Put blood వచ్చింది కొంచెం. Now H12 is equal to V1 by V2 when I2 equal to 0. It is called as reverse voltage ratio. Reverse voltage ratio with input open. Input open means no current will flow. That is I2 equal to 0. Then H22 is equal to I2 by V2 when input is open. Voice clear gunda students? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Blur ఏం లేదు కదా, క్లియర్గా ఉందా స్క్రీన్ కూడా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఎందుకంటే ఇందాక కొద్దిగా బ్లర్ వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ బాగానే వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అవుట్పుట్ అడ్మిటెన్స్. ఓకే, I2 by V2 is output admittance with input open. So by short circuiting the output, that is putting V2 equal to 0, we got two parameters, those are H11 and H21, and by opening the input port, we got two parameters, those are H12 and H22. Okay. This H12 is called as reverse voltage ratio, so it can also be called as HR, means reverse voltage ratio. And I2 by V2 is called admittance, so you can write it as HO. O means admittance, R means reverse voltage ratio. And H11 will be, H11 is input resistance. We denote it by HI. I means input resistance. And for H21, we call it as HF, forward current ratio. Okay, forward current ratio. You just remember this: HI, HR, HF, and HO. So finally, we write the equations pertaining to these equations, two equations. So V1 equal to, now in place of H11 I write V1 equal to, in place of H11 it is HI I1 plus, this is reverse voltage ratio HR into V2, and I2 output current is equal to HF forward current ratio plus HO output admittance into V2. Okay. If the transistor is a common emitter transistor, you just add suffix E to this H parameter, that is HIE and HRE and HFE, and HOE will be the H parameters of the transistor whose configuration is common emitter configuration. Okay, if it is common base configuration, then add suffix B to these H parameters. Okay, if it is common collector, you just add C. Okay. So the input voltage is V1, and let us write this equation as in the circuit form now. HI and a voltage generator, that is HRV2. HRV2. This is the input circuit for that black box, you can say, for the two-port network, and the input voltage is V1. V1 and plus and minus, it should be denoted these terminals. Denoted, this one is positive, this one is negative, input terminals. and the output circuit. The current generator will be there. Always from the current will flow into the network like this from the second port. Output current will flow like this. From the first port, the current is I1. Enter into the network. This one is HF into I1. And here a resistor is placed. That is 1 by H4 ohms. And V2 is the output voltage. Okay, circuit representation of these two equations. If it is common emitter, just put E, add suffix to these parameters. Now, let us see all the configurations one by one. I just draw the circuit diagram, okay, and then these H parameters, that equation followed by the circuit. Let us consider first the common. Let us consider the common emitter circuit now. Common emitter. Emitter is common to both input and output. Input here is base and output is collector. So let us draw the circuit now, transistor circuit. Let us see the H parameter equivalent circuit for common emitter configuration now. CE configuration, let us see. CE configuration. Emitter is common, right? Emitter is common. This is common. Emitter is common. When the emitter is common, load is taken from the collector. When a collector is common, load is taken from the emitter. Remember these 2 points. Okay. Here emitter is common. Base emitter, between base and emitter terminals, input voltage is applied. What will be the input voltage here? VB will be the input voltage. This is collector. So always the current flows from the port. It is collector port, let it be. It should flow like this. Collector current IC. And from B, IB will flow in like this. And from emitter, IE will flow like this. Okay. Since this is common emitter, the output is taken from collector. So this is VC. VC. So from this circuit, tell me what is input voltage, what is output voltage, what is input current, what is output current? Students, tell me now. From this diagram, you tell me what is input voltage for this transistor?
VB.
వినపడుతుందా?
VB.
Good. VB input voltage
Yes, sir.
equal to, you can frame the equation from this way. Input voltage is equal to SIE into, you first tell me input voltage, and the input current is what? IB. Okay. Input voltage is equal to HIE into input current plus HRE into output voltage. What is output voltage here? VC. E is common, right? Emitter is common for the input as well as output. Okay. So input voltage is VB and input current is IB. Output voltage is VC and output current is IC. So VC now. Then output current IC equal to what? H FE into IB. HF into IB plus HOE into VC. Okay. Have you followed this, students? I have
Yes,
run the
sir.
circuit. Okay, based on the circuit, I have framed the equations. Okay, what is the next step is how to draw the circuit. Okay, how to draw the circuit? Input circuit is represented by first equation and output circuit is represented by this. Okay, output circuit will have a resistor and in parallel with a current generator. And for input circuit, HI will be there in series with the voltage generator. Okay, I will draw that circuit now. We should be in a position to first draw that configuration, whether it is C, CV or CC. From that circuit, we should identify what is input voltage, what is input current, what is output voltage, what is output current. Once you know all these things, you can easily write the equations. From that equations, from those equations, you just draw the circuit diagram. Okay? From the circuit diagram, that circuit diagram can be used for analysis part, current gain and so on. Okay. This circuit, it is properly biased and it is connected to load and this end is connected to source, then it acts as an amplifier. Okay, if you give some signal as input to this, then only that will be amplified here. There is no signal here. Okay, just for understanding, say I have drawn the transistor. For this transistor, at the input terminals, you have to connect a source, that is input signal. That will be amplified this transistor, and that amplified signal will be available at the output. Okay, that we will see later on. Now, what is the next step now? Next step is you have to draw the circuit. Just now I have shown how to draw the circuit without that suffix E, B or C. You just add E to that. You will get it. I'll draw the circuit by using these two equations now here. So input voltage is VB, two terminals. Okay. Here E is common emitter. So E is common. Draw like this. E is common. And from terminal B, current flows like this IB. Okay. Passes through HIE and it encounters a voltage generator, that is HRE VC. VB. This you can get this equation by applying KVL to this loop. It's a voltage law. Here it is rise in potential. So plus in the direction of current. So minus HIE into IB. Then this is a voltage generator. So there is a drop in potential just minus HRE VC. In that way we can get this. VB minus HIEIB minus HREVC. You will get the same equation. Now coming to the second, this output loop. Second equation can be denoted here in the output circuit like this. This is current generator, that is HFE, IB. Okay. IC moves from the second port, whose output voltage is VC, and it splits into two currents. One passes through 1 by HOE ohms. This is the resistance of this resistor, and remaining current passes through this. So this IC is equal to this current plus this current. This current is what? Current flowing through this branch. How can you find out? Voltage drop across this, that is VC. Potential difference between potential difference across this is VC only. VC by resistance gives current through this. What is this resistance? 1 by HOE, nothing but VC into HOE only. And another current is HFE IB. Add these two, we will get IC. Okay. So we have finished this common emitter configuration. Let us see about common collector now, and then common base. Common collector. So what is the symbol arrow mark indicates here? Can you tell me? This arrow mark. This is common
ఏ
collector.
టైప్ అనేది చెప్తాను సార్.
Huh? This arrow mark indicates
అది
what?
ఎన్పిఎన్ పిఎన్పి అని చెప్తాను.
Yeah, NPN, PNPN. And it is, that arrow mark is placed between what? Between base and emitter. Right? Okay. Between base
Okay,
and
sir.
emitter. Is it not? This is emitter. And in the common collector, you draw a line like this common collector. And output is taken from what? Just now I told you, if it is common emitter, output is taken from collector. If it is common collector, output is taken from emitter. Okay? So output is taken from emitter. This is VE. This ground on coach. So this collector is joined to this. This is collector. Current flow like this, IC. And IB will flow like this. Okay? And IE will flow out. The direction of current is very important. Okay? Sign convention. Currents always move into the network. Here the network is transistor only. So move into the two-port network from the ports. So here 3 ports are there. B, C and E. From B, IB will flow into the port, and from E, IE, and from C, IC will flow. So you remember like this, okay? So here input voltage is VB. VB is input voltage. And what is output voltage, you tell me from the circuit? For common collector, we take out what we take? Output from the collector, I told you. For common collector, we take output from the emitter. Okay? So output voltage is, you tell me, VE. Avuna kada? VE is the output voltage. This is the output port. Right? Output port. In any textbook, you can find the same diagram. So what are the input voltages and input current, to tell me? Input voltage, fatafat cheppandi. Yes? Simple question ni cheppakapothe ella meeru? I'm asking a very simple question. From this diagram, what is input voltage, you tell me?
VB.
అంతే కదా, చెప్పాలి అట్లా ఫస్ట్ నా. VB is equal to H I, ఇదేంటి కామన్ కలెక్టర్ కదా, సో HIC into what is input current now? IB. Very good, IB plus HRC into output voltage. What is output voltage here?
VE.
Right, VE. మీరు ఇవన్నీ బాగా అర్థం చేసుకొని మైండ్లో ఉన్నాయంటే మనకి ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. జస్ట్ అనుకుంటేనే వాటి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ సిబి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ మన డయాగ్రామ్ ముందుకు కనపడాలి. డయాగ్రామ్ ఈజీగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటేనే మనం ముందుకు వెళ్ళగలుగుతాం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ నౌ? వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ కరెంట్? టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ కరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. I thought you would say IC because it is visible on the board, IC. But output current, IE only. Very good. Why? Since it is common collector, output is taken from emitter. So IE is equal to H FC IB plus HOC VE. So can you draw the circuit diagram now? In the previous diagram, just replace E by C. Is it not? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will draw the circuit. Why to confuse you? I will just draw the circuit based on these two equations. This is a common collector configuration. So first you draw common collector. Common collector. So inputs are, another terminal is B here. What is another terminal here? Base, collector, emitter. See, it is very easy to mark this now. This is emitter, this is collector, this is also collector. So HIC, and then a voltage generator inside. Plus, minus, that is HRC, VE, and HFC, IB is the current direction, this downward, and a resistor, can called as shunt. It is shunt. It is parallel to this applied voltage source. This is what VE. So VE by this will get a current which flows through this. Already the current is there. This plus this will give IE. So IE equal to VE by 1 by HOC. Ohms. 1 by HOC is nothing but HOC only. So VE into HOC will get this part. Another part is HFC. So here you just apply KVL, you will get the first equation. I'll write this resistance as HIC, and current from B is IB. Current from E is IE. Okay? You need not bother about the current IC. Okay, common base configuration, let us see now. Common base. Okay, for common base, what will be the input terminals and what will be the output terminals, you tell me? Base will be common,
Input,
okay?
emitter, output, collector.
Input,
Emitter, sir. Input.
input emitter, output collector. Very good. We'll draw that circuit now. This common base, I should take base like this, common base. This is base, common base. And this current should, direction of this current will be from base to emitter. Base to emitter. And another one is collector. So current is IE, which flows into the network, and here IC. Is it easy? Easy to draw? Base to emitter, the direction, since it is NPN transistor, it is a very famous one. Every book will be using NPN only. PNP ఎక్కువ వాడరు. ఇవి మనకు అనుకూలంగా ఉంటాయి డైరెక్షన్స్ అన్ని. టూ-పోర్ట్ నెట్వర్క్లో ఎలా వాడతాం అలానే వాడచ్చు దీంట్లో కూడా. So what is the direction of IB here? Can you tell me? IE, IC ఉంది. IB డైరెక్షన్ చెప్పొచ్చు, చెప్తారా? IE, IC. IB, just now I told you that current should flow from the terminal, that is from that port, let us say B. B నుంచి flow అవ్వాలంటే it should be, direction should be like this, IB. Very simple. Okay. IC from C, IE from E, IB from B. And sum of all these currents equal to 0. At this point. And how to frame the equations now? What is input voltage? Input voltage is VE.
V.
Good.
VE.
Output voltage?
VC.
Good. Output voltage VC. Input current?
IE, sir.
Very good. Output current?
IC.
IC. So input voltage is VE. And this is common base. and input to current is IE, output voltage is VC, and output current is IC. Okay. Equations over. So what is the next step now? Can you draw the diagram on your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have followed that previous diagram, you just replace those suffixes by B. Then you will get the diagram. Okay. What is time now? Is it 2:40? 3:43. 3:43. Okay, we'll quickly finish off this small signal analysis of BJT. I have already explained in the class. So we'll do it again now by considering a circuit and use those four guidelines to reduce into a simplified circuit. Okay. What are the guidelines for analysis of a transistor circuit? Circuit may be having resistors, capacitors, and voltage sources. Is it not? Input signal, output load resistor,
sir.
all these things will be there. For a transistor amplifier, we're talking about transistor amplifier. This one will work as an amplifier when this output port is connected to load and the input port is connected to a signal, voltage signal, okay, with a source. Generally, Vs will be the voltage signal and its resistance will be Rs. Okay, then that signal will be amplified and that is available at the output in a amplified form. It amplifies only the amplitude only, amplifies only the amplitude only, not frequency. Frequency will be same, and the waveform will be replica of the input waveform. Only for the common emitter circuit, the waveform will be inverted. That will be output of that common emitter amplifier will be 180 degrees out of phase with respect to input signal. That also I will explain in the next class how it is inverted and why it is not inverted for all other remaining configurations. Okay, let us see about the guidelines now, and then we'll take some small example, and then we'll finish it off today by drawing a simplified circuit. Simplified circuit వరకే చూద్దాం, అనాలిసిస్ పార్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ చూద్దాం. Battery is low. Is signal okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Hello? Okay. My laptop shut down అయింది. The guidelines for analysis of transistor circuit. So what is the first step? Guidelines for analysis of transistor circuit. First one is we have to draw the circuit diagram. Draw the circuit diagram. Second one, replace all capacitors by short circuit. By short circuit. Replace DC voltages. Third step is replace DC voltage sources by ground. That means zero voltage. And fourth one is mark the points B, E, and C. That means this denotes base emitter and collector points. So I have to mark those points. Fifth point is replace the transistor by its H parameter model. Replace the transistor with H parameter model. The last point just now we have seen how to replace the transistor by its H parameter model. Meaning of this is after marking this BEC, that can be a common emitter, common collector, or a common base. Only that must be replaced with the H parameter model. And remaining things, just attach them, okay, to the input of that and to the output of that. Okay, after simplification, we'll find some resistors will be there in the input circuit and some resistors will be there in the output circuit. Let us consider an example. 1 second, I'll just switch on this laptop. Let us consider an example now. So these steps you just remember. The first step is you have to draw the circuit as it is, and then just replace all capacitors and replace all voltage sources, and then mark the transistor, that is B, E, and C. After marking, you just replace the transistor by H parameter model, okay, and then analyze the circuit. Let us consider an example. First, the time able to voltage divided circuit. RE or C. Since it is a voltage divided circuit, two resistors will be there like this, R1, R2. A coupling capacitor. Which the signal is applied, RS, VCC plus VCC is applied here, and output is taken from this RC. Let us say another capacitor is there parallel to R. Okay. First step is we have drawn the circuit as it is, and the next step is we have to short circuit all the capacitors. Let us do that now. Short circuiting this capacitor here. Okay, can you see me, students? ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్లో కనపడట్లేదు అందుకు. Is it visible on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All the capacitors are shorted, and if we short this capacitor also, what will happen? This RG will be isolated, is it not? Okay, this is of 0 ohms, let us say. So 0 into RE is 0 by RE plus 0. Okay, I'm removing this RE. So finally the circuit will be like this. V0 is the output from the ground. And what is the third step? We have to remove VCC. So VCC can be applied at this point also. Is it not? This VCC is available at this point. At this point also VCC is there, plus VCC. Since we are grounding that, so it can be set to 0 volts. 0 volts, or it can be grounded like this. Grounded. Another ground is here. Okay, this is grounded. So these two can be added. This is on the left side of the this transistor. So this will be parallel to R1 will be parallel to R2 in the input circuit, and RC will be connected like this. RC will be connected like this. RC will be in the output circuit, and this R1 R2 will be come in the input circuit. R1 R2 will be parallel to each other. So finally it gets reduced to R1 R2. Let us say RB equal to parallel combination of R1 and R2. Then I can replace this. I am writing RB. So RB is nothing but parallel combination of R1 and R2. And fourth step is you have to mark. So this is B, and this is C, and this point is E. Okay. So this is the transistor now. For the transistor, we have to draw the, what is that fourth step? We have to replace it with H parameter model. This one. This can be extended. If any resistor is there, it will have to attach that, connect the resistor also. It is not there here, so it can be, this can be extended up to this point if you want. Okay. See, there is no resistor. Mark like this. This rectangle is denoting common emitter transistor. For that, what is the H parameter model? H parameter model is for that HIE and that voltage generator. Okay, and HFE, IB is the current, right? IB to this transistor, IB is the current, input current. And for common emitter, output current is IC. Output voltage is VC. VC, and resistor will be there HOE, 1 by HOE, and IC will flow like this. Okay. We are representing this transistor by this H model, okay, by this H parameter circuit, we can say. Okay. We denote this as B, and this is C, this is C, and this is E. Now, this RB is connected to this. Still here, only the transistor part is there. Then let us connect RB. And this source resistance RS and this VS signal. And the output RC will come. Okay. This is a way of simplifying the circuit using small signal analysis, we can say. Okay. By using the 5 guidelines. Okay. With this, I have finished this session today. In the next class, we will do 1 or 2 examples on this so that we can understand well. I will take the attendance now. The students give your attendance. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
2. Vinay Kumar. 3. Madan. Sarita.
Present, sir.
Sunil. Absent. Yaswant. 6. Absent. 7. Pravalika. Absent. 8. Mahit.
Present, sir.
9. Next,
8 present,
Manasa.
sir.
Okay, 8 present. Okay. 9. Manasa. 10. Gangadhar. 11. Saranya.
Present, sir.
Present. Okay, 12. Abhinaya.
Present, sir.
Okay, 13. Srija.
Present, sir.
14. Kirti. Absent. 15. Venkatesh. 16. Nitish Kumar Reddy.
16 yes, sir.
17. 16 yes. Okay, 11. 17. Amulya. 18. Vikas. 19. Madhavi.
Present, sir.
20. Madhavi present.
Yes, sir.
20. Sangeeta. 21. Shashikumar.
Present, sir.
22. Raviteja.
Present, sir. 22 present, sir.
Okay. 23. Prasad Reddy.
Present, sir.
24. Dinesh.
Present, sir.
25. Ajay. 26. Sivakavita.
Present, sir.
Full attendance. 28, Srinath. Srinath, రావట్లేదు అసలు. 29, తరుణ్.
Present, sir.
థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఇది. 30,
30 present, sir.
ప్రజెంట్. 31, భాషా. 32, జాకీ షరీఫ్. 32 present, జాకీ. స్క్రీన్ పైన 32, ఆర్ యూ ప్రజెంట్? ఓకే. 33, యాసిన్.
Present, sir.
35, వంశీ కృష్ణ. 35, వంశీ కృష్ణ ఆప్షన్. 36, రేణుక. రేణుక ఆప్షన్. సుప్రియ. 37, 38, ప్రవీణ్. చాలా మంది ఆప్షన్ ఈరోజు. ఓకే. సందీప్. 39, 40, ప్రవళిక.
40 present, sir.
వెంకట్.
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43.
42 present, sir.
Okay, 42 present, right. Vishita
43 present,
right?
sir.
43, Pravalika present. 44, శ్రీనివాసులు. ఇంతవరకు ఏ క్లాస్ రాలేదు శ్రీనివాసులు. 45, లోకేష్. చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది. 46, నాగరాజు.
Present, sir.
ఓకే. 46, 47, అనుష.
Present, sir.
48, సందీప్. తరుణ్. 49, వంశీ కృష్ణ. 51, ప్రవీణ్. 57, ఉమేష్ చంద్.
53 present, sir.
54, మేఘన. 55, ఈశ్వర్.
54 present, sir.
54, మేఘన ప్రజెంట్. ఓకే. 55, ఈశ్వర్ ఆప్షన్.
Sir, 202 present, sir.
202. ఓకే.
Sir, 32 present, sir.
2, జాకీ షరీఫ్.
32 present, sir.
ఓకే.
Yes,
ఎటువైనా?
sir.
Okay. With this, today
Sir,
session is
22
over.
present, sir.
22, రవితేజ.
22 present, sir.
మార్క్ చేసిన. ఓకే. ఓకే. టుడే ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ది సెషన్. విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో. రేపు మార్నింగ్ ఉంది కదా. విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో, రైట్? బాయ్.